Joy to the world. Very fitting, Miley, very fitting.
Sky had a lawn that every time Sky passed.
Sorry, her
Sky
dog
had
has
to
chosen
leave
your
the park, right?
house.
This is the chosen lawn. Daddy, we need the extendo leash. Need no money.
Oh, Miley, come on, play with Dad.
Don't have fun on the leash. Okay, shall we walk?
Let's walk.
I think it's past enough now. Okay.
He doesn't think so.
I'm not done.
Miley's like, this looks great. Let's keep it going.
friends, the time has finally come when we are going to set up a lawn ornament dog. Now, usually when you let things sit for a few days, at least with me, I find it's because I'm intimidated or I don't know what to do about something, so I let it sit. And I think this qualifies for one of those situations. Because if you remember a few days ago when Cassie got excited and wanted to join the front lawn ornament club, I think she forgot that we don't exactly have a front lawn. So I don't know what we're gonna do with this. This may be fantastic or maybe a bust. I don't know which way this is gonna go, but we're gonna set it up. Mine is gonna help, and we'll see where we go from there. All right? It's exciting, huh? All right. That box there. Okay, Miley. Oh, all right. It's got some weights in it, so I guess it's to prevent it from blowing away. Oh, dual fan. What? I honestly thought I had to blow this up myself. I have visions of sitting here blowing the thing up like a balloon. Okay. All right, Miley. Let's plug this thing in. Let's see what your reaction is going to be. This will be fun. Hey, Mama. On and off. Oh, here we go. What do you think, Mike? I wasn't too happy with this at all. I think Cassie's gonna like it. Okay. It's okay. So tell you what, Miley, we just have to figure out if we can fit him somewhere outside. Okay? Okay. Alright, well, it works. Now we have to figure out what we're gonna do with them. Well, I'm not quite sure that was the statement Cassie was hoping for, but not bad, not bad. It's our first one anyway. I was expecting, I think, the body to light up a little bit more, except for just his head. I'll check, maybe there's a bulb out or something. Pretty cool. Okay, Miley, it is that time again. Dogvent Calendar time. Okay, sweetheart. Over here. Over here. I know you're excited. Over here. That's a good, no, sit. Good girl. Okay, so today is number 10, right down here. Are you a good girl? You a good girl? Of course you are. Okay. Paw. That's a good girl. Can we use turn? Good girl. Sit. There you go. That's 10 days in, Miley. Another day gone by. See you guys. All right, guys, that's Vlogmas for another day. We'll see you tomorrow.